Hi guys, and welcome back on GSM ABC YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to access the service menu for Alcatel Shine Lite. So let's do it. Okay, so to access the menu, just hit the call icon and hit the keys, and here you must type *2886#, and here is the service menu. This menu allows you to test the functions of your phone to see if everything is okay. We have here Auto 1 and Auto 2 and the manual test. Let's try the manual test and let's see what we have here. We have traceability, touch panels 2. Let's see touch panels. Okay, here you can test if your touchscreen is okay, and we must pass this test. And it looks everything it's okay, the test is okay, just hit pass. Okay, we have LCD mirror, we have LCD black, we have LCD gray, gray level, and LCD white. We have keypad, and you must press the keys. Let's see, volume up, volume down, power, back, home, and menu, and pass. Okay, we have LCD backlight. Okay. We have a keyboard blacklight. Looks it's okay, hit pass. We have main camera and front camera. We have camera LED white. Okay, and front flash. Charger LED, and for that you must connect your charger. Receiver. Okay. Speaker. We have the microphone, the vibrator, the headset, the USB, the charger, the G sensor, the light sensor, the proximity sensor, the SIM card, the memory card, the battery temp. Here is the battery temperature. Okay, the Bluetooth, the Wi-Fi, and here are the Wi-Fi hotspots, the GPS. Okay, the fingerprint, the call, and the last is the factory reset, and you can reset your phone from here. So this is the service menu to test your phone for Alcatel Shine Lite. I hope this tutorial to be useful for you, and have a nice day.